Okay, so I've got paradise all set up for summer now. Everybody's got their perches. The mister system is going full blast. The shade cloth is up. I was going to do this as a still picture, but I got the misting system going. And Greer is hilarious. He's yelling, "Woo!" Yep. So I just had to do it as a video. Let's see if he'll do it while I'm... Of course he's not going to do it while I'm taking this. But there's Paris and her side. And of course Mr. Zane Grey. And of course there's Greer. Way up at the top where he can get the ultimate in misting. Hello, bud. You liking it out here? What do you think, Greer man? Woo! He's just having a riot. Yeah. Whee! That was me, not him. In case you had any doubts. And so everything's all set up for summer. They've gotten their new forging toys out. Did you have something to say, sir? Pastor might have to speak. And everybody's all ready for summer. Julia are in bloom. So beautiful. Roses are just starting. They're just starting up. This is my memorial tree to my beloved Macy Gray, my first African Gray. It's a redbud overlooking the aviary that she absolutely would have adored. Hello! So there it is. It's all very fun, says Greer. Woo! So, another day in paradise. Laughing happily.